Wells Fargo's mobile app provides wire transfer capabilities, but with important differences between domestic and international transfers. Understanding these distinctions helps you choose the right method for your needs. The Wells Fargo mobile app offers limited wire transfer functionality. While domestic wires can be initiated through the app, international transfers often require online banking or a branch visit. Domestic wire transfers through the Wells Fargo app require basic recipient information, including their name, bank routing number, and account number. Fees typically range from $15 to $30. Daily limits range from $5,000 to $10,000, and transfers process the same day if initiated before the 3 p.m. cutoff time. International wire transfers are significantly more complex. They require all domestic transfer information, plus additional details like SWIFT codes, recipient bank information, beneficiary addresses, and the purpose of transfer. International transfer fees range from $15 to $50, plus potential intermediary bank fees. Processing takes 1 to 5 business days, and currency conversion rates apply. The key differences are clear. Domestic transfers offer same-day processing with basic requirements, while international transfers require complex documentation, take longer to process, and cost more due to additional fees and currency conversion. Here's the complete step-by-step process for wiring money through the Wells Fargo mobile app, along with important considerations you need to know. Step 1. Log into your Wells Fargo mobile app using secure authentication. This includes your username, password, and biometric verification like fingerprint or face recognition. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfer and Pay section in your app menu, then select the Wire Money option from the available transfer methods. Step 3. Enter all recipient and transfer details carefully. This includes the recipient's name, bank routing number, account number, and the transfer amount. Step 4. Review all information thoroughly, then authorize the transfer using your PIN, fingerprint, or face recognition. You'll receive a confirmation number for tracking. However, there are important limitations to be aware of. First-time recipients may require initial setup through online banking, and large transfer amounts often need additional verification. Security is crucial when wiring money. Always verify recipient details independently, use secure Wi-Fi networks, and monitor your accounts regularly for any unauthorized activity. Before wiring money, compare costs with alternatives. Wire transfers typically cost $15 to $50, while ACH transfers and Zelle are often free or much cheaper for domestic transfers. Remember to understand all potential fees, including intermediary bank charges for international transfers. Keep detailed records of all transactions, and don't hesitate to contact Wells Fargo support if you encounter any issues during the process.